Dark lips can be a turn-off for most of the people. I've even seen women wear lipstick in a no makeup look, which can quickly turn into an insecurity for many. But what about men? They can't hide their dark lips. So I'll quickly tell you three my most common and favorite procedures for dark lips. Number one is chemical peel. We use very light peels like fruit peels, like yellow peel or maybe lactic acid peel or glycolic peel for the lips, and we apply it for certain few minutes and then wipe it off. It exfoliates the lips and reveals a fresher skin from below. Because lips are a very sensitive area, we must use very light concentration of the peels. They can be repeated every 2 to 3 weeks. I do it once a month. Number two is a Q-switch laser. Now, Q-switch laser is a very popular laser that works for melanin. It down-regulates the melanin cells and stimulates the lighter cells from below. So, if you have very dark lips, I use Q-switch laser to lighten the lips again once in 4 to 6 weeks. Even at 8 weeks, we don't repeat the sessions very close by. Sometimes I even alternate it with peel sessions so that the interval between the Q-switch sessions just is spaced nicely apart. So at times I even combine Q-switch sessions with my peel session for lips so that the interval between the laser sessions is more spaced out. The repeat sessions alternately given can lighten up the skin. It gives the benefit of both the peels as well as Q-switch alternately. The third, but my most favorite procedure is a filler. So you might wonder how filler can make those dark lips look pink. There are numerous examples. I've done it repeatedly. Sometimes, and it was an accidental finding, that when you inject dark lips with a filler, it stretches and gives a more pinkish hue to the skin. Now we understand that filler has hyaluronic acid. This hyaluronic acid, when it gets into the skin layers, it kind of down-regulates the melanin and stimulates the lighter skin cells. So much so that I have found that even in smokers, if you inject lip filler, it can lighten up the lips. You don't necessarily have to plump up the lips. You can be just very mild quantity of a filler that you put in, but it freshens up, those lines are erased and the color just moves from dark to more pinkish hue. Now before I end this video, I want to tell you a few tips for not having dark lips. Number one, always use a lip balm or liquid paraffin on your lips, particularly at night before sleeping. Just hydrate them nicely. Please don't use those red, green, fancy colored or differently flavored lip balms. Use simple white petroleum jelly. Also, avoid smoking. It definitely turns your lips to dark. Avoid dark colored lipsticks, very heavy shades of red and brown. Try to use lighter colors and avoid matte lipsticks if possible as much. And last but not the least, use sunscreen on your lips. It's a very important tip because as much as your skin gets tanned, your lips also get tanned when you move out in the sun. Thank you.